There's anthill. Keep pushing.
I don't want to break the ant.
Yeah, you'll get angry. Yeah. Keep pushing.
If I break the anthill, they're gonna be mad at me.
Yeah.
And the whole ants are gonna stop fighting.
Keep pushing. You're making us car sounds, Connor.
Maybe you should push me.
I did push you.